You think so?
Hot. Why is it hot? Hey guys, go to the next video. So we are gonna unbox these toys at Burger King. Yes.
So tell me what you have.
I have this little tiny house. This is what it has inside.
So it says a dollhouse, easy carry, take along, tabletop fun, carry and play anywhere, miniature people and accessories, all accessories included. So it looks like you have a little pool and a fence. Okay.
And I got a Shopkins.
Sit down.
I got a Shopkins.
Can you read me about your Shopkins? Wow, look at all those. Put two Shopkins inside.
Two Shopkins?
Yeah, let's go ahead and open. So tell me what you got.
Got a polar bear.
A polar bear?
Yes.
Let me see. That looks like a tooth.
No, first. Okay, whatever. It just has a puppy tail.
Oh, how cute.
Okay, everyone, let's open it. Here's a fridge, whatever that is.
Let's see. Ooh, that's really cute.
Oh, this one has to be big. Look, everyone. Here's all my stuff. Now I'm gonna set up.
I don't know what the heck that is.
Oh, I got a present.
Ooh, so how do you play with those?
Tape
says
on the
Shopkins.
back. I have no idea. Let's see who are these.
Yeah, show me what you got
Okay,
here.
let me see. Oh, there we go. This one has with the princess one. Yes, it does go with the princess one. No, it doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. Here she is. What's her name?
Let's see. Which one? That is Little Bo Bella.
Bella. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see where I can find the present.
Show me what you got. Tell me everything you got.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was gonna set up. Here's some couches. Here she is. Here's, I don't know, what is this?
1 second. Let's see. Where is it?
This is a
Present.
microwave.
Miss Pressy.
Present. Oh, Miss Present. This is a door. This is a drawer. I mean. There you go. Actually, where's your fridge? Nope.
Let me see.
What is it?
It's a cabin.
Cabinet.
Cabin.
So it could be
Okay,
like a
everyone, I'm setting
dishwasher.
up. Wait. First, here's the microwave. Here's the microwave. In the pool. Yay. They have a pool? Yeah. But first, they're gonna guard it. Wait, let me see. First is bed. Let's put the bed with it. Sophie, let's set it up. Sophie, I'm setting it up. I'm seeing where's the cabinet? Where's the cabinet though? No, that's not the cabinet. Up into the cabinet. Sophie, why are you messing everything up?
Oh, Andrew has it. He's fixing it.
It doesn't need to be fit. It's not a cabinet. What is it? It's a thing. I'm setting up.
Tell me
Andrew,
what's
give
in
it
there.
to me. What is it?
Is that a bedroom?
Piece of plastic on the
Living
side.
room?
I'm trying to set up.
I know, but I need to see what you're setting up, right?
Don't matter. Okay.
Yeah, just give it to her.
I can't even see what I'm doing.
I can.
There we go, everyone. It's for this, just like this. Here, it's just. Is this a bathtub? No. Okay. But where is there a bathtub though? No. There's no bathtub. Sorry. Sophie. So they gonna smell like fishes. Stop. Okay, let's sit up in the front room because. Can I sit up with you? Please. No. All right.
They are all done. Let's see what we have in this big house. So we have a huge garden, right?
This is fun. The pool.
The pool. That's
Can
so
I play with your
cool.
bear?
Let's see inside your little house.
Stop it.
What is that on the kitchen table? Is that food? Everybody's ready to eat?
Look, everyone, look at this yummy, delicious, ugly food. Sorry.
Keep it still. Let's see. Keep it still. Oh, can't see it. That's strange. Okay. Wow.
But it's time to put it
There's a
back.
chair in the middle of the living room.
No.
Is that? Oh, you have a refrigerator and a washing machine and a sink. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Wait, is that the TV?
Where?
What is the TV doing
You
there?
gonna do it on top of the counter? That's
No,
funny. Let's
no,
see your
no. I mean,
bedroom.
the TV's in the closet. I mean, the TV's in the kitchen. The TV don't need to be in the kitchen. Oops. Let's see if it's
Bedroom.
Mimi.
Oh, that is
Read
different.
it. I didn't put the TV there. So, but it is a TV. That's Bye everyone. Bye everyone. So thank you for watching us unbox a video. Unbox or joy our new toys. I was about to say videos. Why would you unbox videos? Okay. And click the like button so you can see more videos. Bye. Bye.